Hi there, hi everyone. Yes, daily practice still continues. Today, in the daily newspaper, we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 star Sudoku, the 3 star Sudoku, and the 4 star Sudoku in the edition of Saturday, September the 3rd, 2022. Also, we have a tectonic and one with 1 star, and the final one, the binary. And those puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve today, the other half tomorrow, because tomorrow we don't receive any newspaper. Alright, first one will be number 5117. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. This one has 25 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. Interesting. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then we have the 4 missing numbers. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 and a 7 in this big square. So no 8 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are... tripod. My tripod is not working. Let me position the camera again. Wow. Alright. Apologies. 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 1, 3, 7, 3, 7. Okay. 4 missing numbers now. In this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have another 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then these 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes here appear, they appear. So what are the other 2 numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 5. Then, 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have 8 and a 1 in this big square, so no 8 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 1, 8 and a 1. We have an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2. It goes there. All right. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and 7. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this second column, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Another pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. The 6 in this row. The 6 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6 and the 7. Now we have a 6 here in the first column. So no 6 in this box. The 6 should be there. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me think. Yeah. 8. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on, don't think too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8. Looking for 6, 7, and 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. Can I fill this yet? No. 6, 7, 9. But this box, we have a 9 here, so this box will be 6 and a 7. Ay. Well, we have a 6 here. 6 in the third column, so this column between, only 2 places left for the 6 could be here or there. Okay. Yeah. 6. Where's the opening? The opening 6, 2, 4, 7. 7 should be there. Yes. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there. We see here another 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be there. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. That means 1 box left in the second column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this row. Oh, we already have a 9 here. Interesting. Five, five, five. Yes, three missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in this box. The 5 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those. 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Here also 1 and a 3. Yeah, let me mark those. Okay. Interesting puzzle, this one. Interesting. Then. 5, 5, okay. 7, 8. Well, 4 missing numbers. Well, actually 5, but one of the missing numbers is 7. Well, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the third column, no 7 there. Here, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last column, so no 7 there. So the 7 should be in one of those two boxes. Okay, now in the middle column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. Well, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this big square. So here can be 7. So the 7 should be in one of those two boxes, okay? So the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and a 7. 1, 2, and 7. We have a 2 in the second row. So no 2 in this box in the middle column. So the 2 should be in one of those two boxes in the middle column. Yeah. So the 1, 2, 7 are missing. 1, 2, 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1. Alright, interesting. Then. 4, 4. Okay. And the 1 should be here. 3 could be everywhere. Oh, now we have a 7 here. I've marked those two boxes with 7 and 8. Now we have a 7 there. So this box give me 7 and more. That box should be a 7. This box should be an 8. 8 in this row. 8. So 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Okay. 4, 4 and the 5. We have a pair again. 4 and a 5 in this row. 4 and a 5 in this column. We have 4 and a 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, there are only 3 places left for the 4 and 5. Goes in those in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. But we have also a 4 and a 5 in the first row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. So here now we have 3 missing numbers in this column. The 1, the 3, and a 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 1 here in this big square, so here can be 1. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. So this box is definitely a 7. Okay. Now we have a 7 there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and a 3. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number. Oh, 1, 3, and a 7. Oh, made a mistake. We already have a 1 here. We already have a 1 here, so this box should be a 3 then. Not a 1. And the 1 goes there. So those 2, I've made a mistake. This 3, I need to switch. Okay. So here we have 7 and a 3. So this should be a 7 here. 7 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this column. So no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. I marked those two boxes earlier with 6 and 7. Now we have a 6 here in the third row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 8 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the third row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. Then. Let me see. What now? Yeah. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the first row. The 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Alright. Okay. Almost finished. Let me see. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked this box with a 1 or a 3. So this box should be definitely a 3. Okay, 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 2 in the first column. 2 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 and a 5. Are left. We have a 4 and a 5. We need a 4 and a 5 here. Also 4 and a 5 there, but also 4 and a 5 there in the third row. We have a 5 in the first column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 it goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4 stars Sudoku. I'm pleased with the time with this one, so and enjoy this one. A lot of pairs, but if I can solve it, you can solve it. Bye bye. And see you later.